We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy.
Hi mother, happy retirement. Matakas ka ng Dorothy mo pag minuok na pag kinita sa Netflix. Ganito yung pag dinate ni tatay na yung mga friends kapag mo bonding everyday, all day. Enjoy the vacation days, for life na vacation days. Love you, see you soon. Hi Lola Wen, happy retirement.
Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends, we'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you.
So, Ma'am Wen, congratulations ma'am, ano mo retirement. Makagani mo na mo ni Sir Boyet. Thank you for the 8 years na nandira ko mo ma'am. I'm forever grateful. And thank you also for being kind and considerate. Labi na hamon ng mga young blood mo. Ma'am, we will see you around. Congratulations.
It's really funny to look back after all of these years.
María Buena de Purificación. Bye bye. Miss you.
I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you.
Congratulations, Ma'am Wen, for your retirement. Thank you for everything that taught to us, and see you around.
We'll see each other again.
Congratulations ma'am and happy retirement Ma'am Wen. Thank you for your guidance and support over the years. Wishing you a retirement full of happiness, health, friendship, and lots of travel around the world.
Hello, Mom Wens, from your Bridge family. Thank you for all the lessons and the wonderful years you shared with us. Wishing you all the best in your life. Happy retirement, Mom Wen.
Friends, with you, my friends, with only you.
Congrats on your retirement, Nanay Wen! We will miss you! Happy retirement, Nanay Wen! Bye, Action! Hello, Action! Hello, Ma'am Wen! Thank you for your support and guidance, especially in family. We will miss you and your activities. Happy retirement and God bless!
Oh, good afternoon. Nanay Win, diri-dira ko na kayo nalalakad ko, pero gusto mo man, break mahimo. Nawarayan ako nanay. Since 2007 talaga, hiya talaga akong every time may anak ko, diri maupay ako adlaw na katulak haya kung tinto na ako kung nakaistorya ko na yan na mamati lahiya ako no okay na ako. Very trusted person for me. Anakon ka na panahon na akong kasakit. Iya talaga ito ako. For me ako gindetext ko yan, na-message siya ako. Okay, kayo naman ako mahimo kay gusto mo na ito. Sige, good luck na lang. Ay, babay. Okay, nag-talk na ako. Ayun na Babay.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Wen!
Happy retirement, Ma'am Wen!
Happy retirement, Ma'am Wen! Ang lingap mo'y hahanap-hanapin sa entabladong minsan ay sa akin. At kung ako ay malimutan kahit sa awit ko man lamang, iyo sanang matandaan bago tuluyang lumisan nang minsan ay minahal ay ako. Congratulations, Ma'am Wen! Happy retirement!
Hi everyone, it's me, your local vlogger, Char. Happy retirement, Ma'am Wen. Ma'am Wen is such an intelligent woman for me. Damo nga salamat, Ma'am, for helping bring out the best in us. Kamo po ni Ma'am Agnes ang napaka-supportive whenever may ada mga competitions, events, and DPWH. Makasirigod ako na ang planning is now the home of the champions because of you.
Hello, Ma'am Wen. Wishing you a happy and fulfilling retirement. I want to thank you for all the guidance, the leadership, especially the lessons you've shared with us through the years. Ma'am Wen, mamimiss ko nimo. Thank you ever so much, Miss Vida. Ngan ma'am, an imo gihapon ka, mamimiss ko. Bekenin. Joke la.
Congratulations po! Happy retirement po, Ma'am Wen!
Happy retirement, Ma'am Wen! Ma'am Wen, mamimingaw ako imo. Ray na ako. Suki nga para ay kadamo tagpan, nagpapalit.
Salamat and mabuhay, Nanay Wen! Your dedication, hard work, and kindness will always be remembered by your Highway Design Section family. Thank you for your years of committed service and for inspiring everyone around you. Wishing you a joyful, peaceful, and well-deserved retirement filled with happiness and good health. Congratulations, Nanay Wen! Goodbye, pension! Hello, pension!
Congratulations on your retirement, Ma'am Wen. Wishing you happiness, good health, and a fulfilling new chapter ahead. You will be greatly missed.
Congratulations, Ma'am Wen, on your retirement. Wishing you happiness, relaxations, and all the best in this new chapter. From Castellarity.
Congratulations on your retirement, Ma'am Wen. Wishing you joy, peace, and more blessings ahead. Thank you for everything. Congratulations on your well-deserved retirement, Ma'am Wen. It has been an honor working under your leadership. Thank you for your guidance, support, and lessons you've shared. Wishing you a joyful and relaxing new chapter of your life. Happy retirement, Ma'am Wen. We'll miss you from the planning section. On behalf of the whole SS, thank you for your dedication, sacrifices, and invaluable service. Thank you for being a remarkable leader and an amazing person. We wish you good health, peace of mind, endless happiness, and many beautiful years ahead. Salamat, mabuhay!
Hi, Ma'am. I want you to know that you're one of the people na nakitaan ako and mold me into a better employee. I want to thank you for everything na imo gitutuhaakon, na imo mga paagi para pag-train kaamon. And thank you so much for everything. Congratulations!
Ma'am Wen, annyeonghaseyo! Happy retirement!
lumampas pag nalilikaw. Ikaw ang kulay sa langit na bughaw. Sa bawat bagyo na tumatayo, ikaw ang kanlungan na kailangan ko. Kahit hindi mo alam, ilang beses mo kong niligtas. Ikaw ang hantungan at aking wakas. Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're